Hi everyone, it's Louise. I have a little story to tell you about these tiles that I created back in December as test tiles to test out a color palette that I wanted to create for a canvas. And when I posted it to a Facebook site, a lady on there asked me if I wanted to sell these. So now, after a month, I got up my nerve to finally resin these tiles with an item called KS resin, which is high heat resistant, UV resistant. This resin is actually used for countertops, so it's pretty resilient. And I got my nerve up and I made this and another couple batches of tiles that I'm going to make into coasters. So this lady who asked a simple question is going to become the new owner of these 7 tiles. She actually picked 6, but I resined a 7th just in case a problem happened, and she's going to take all 7. So needless to say, we're all quite happy about my little story, and I look forward to doing more of these and making more creations. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy. Take care.